lah. Kau kena tekan shift, print screen ataupun control.
Control.
Ush.
Ini pagi apa yang late ni?
Evening kot. Alert. Apa yang dia alert tu?
A demon named I Wish I Knew has broken out and is killing people.
I wish I knew. I wish I knew.
I wish I knew you. Kau sangat lah ni ada aku nyanyi kan. Kau mute aku pula dekat
Oh
dia.
no. Rasa. Allah.
Ni macam si plan tu busan.
Train tu bosan. Anjay.
Oh.
Oh my god. What happened? Ada. Kau boleh bercakap. Kau dengar tak? Alah, aku tak ada. Button aku memang tak ada lagi.
Aduh.
Find a fire extinguisher. Quick. Tu kat rumah.
Kau boleh lari, Jin.
Ya, aku pun tak ada. Ha. Wish, ada lagu.
Tu kau mula kau jangan pelak ya.
Extinguish the car. Kereta kita nak mampus lah ke? Tak kan?
Lagu dia bapak suspense. Stop.
Gila. Ai. There was two cows. We need to get out of here fast. Ada kereta tu nak tengok tak? Tu toilet. Aku dah jumpa. Lagi?
Wait, I know this what game.
Huh?
Remember kita main game after 3 PM ke after 3 AM yang kena kejar we drive
Dah tu.
the car is fit. The car or the
Car
van?
ke? Ni kot.
Remember you gear. Naik apa? Kau naik apa?
Aku nak kereta.
Try. Black screen
Ha.
Yes.
Banyaknya jerawat.
Oh, okay lah. Kereta tu okay.
Oh, kita naik van, bro. Now, ni kereta kerja. Tak boleh buka.
Well, we're finally here.
Oh. Sibuk lah.
Tapi ni bukan like kita. Oh, ini tempat kerja kita.
Ha.
Ni nak. Sorry. Ni van.
Van. Rock. Ulala. Ada sewa weh. Ada sewa. Tantan nanti kita kena masuk. Ni ha. LOL.
Is this the door? Oh, boleh je masuk lah.
Tak, aku dah ambil kunci.
Tapi ni tak boleh lah.
Itu tingkap dia.
Astaghfirullahaladzim.
Weh, sana. Aku buat yang ni ya. Wow, ada boba ke tu?
Jangan kacau lah.
You clean ni tau. Dah apa hal pula kita parking kita punya van dekat situ? Apa tu? Throw out the trash.
Itu tempat tu pun weh. Tempat isi minyak. Macam pelik kan minyak ni.
Entah.
You throw out lah.
Nampak lagi dia. Dah. Finally done. Okay. Polis! Polis ya! RPD! Asal?
Kenapa dia macam tak apalah diam je lah.
Have you guys seen the I wish I knew that's been on the loose around here?
No, sir.
Here is a wanted poster in case you guys see him anywhere.
Push.
I'm gonna put it on your front door.
Poster one piece.
Okay, thank you. Polis ya.
Yes, be super careful. He was made by a mad scientist. He will not hesitate to kill all of you.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Dia polis ya. Tadi dia cakap nak letak kat front door. Allah, tak ada pun dia nak letak. That is
Why
crazy.
outside? Bro, get in.
I wish I knew. Kereta terkejut aku. Ya Allah, terkejut. Wait, speed.
Simple as that, bro.
Damn.
Ronaldo. Hey, can I get a boba?
Sure.
Yeah.
OMG, of course I should speed. Jajak, jangan aku tengah tekan lama-lama ni. Make boba. Dan kau apa hal pula sebelah dia?
Aku piston.
Ya.
Aku pin.
Dah siap. Sana. Dah.
Thank you for the boba.
Thank you for the boba.
Be careful not to die.
Thank you. Stop.
Nah, I'm takut the next car ni nanti yang
Aku nak tertai. Mana?
I need help, guys.
Kejap aku.
I need help, guys. I need help, guys. I need help, guys. I need help, guys.
What the?
warna kentut dia macam kau.
There was a guy in my toilet.
What the?
He was saying,
Oh
I
no.
wish I knew.
Apa betul?
Anjir, jangan anjir.
I need help, guys.
No.
Aku tak nak.
Call the ambulance.
Weh, aku tak nak.
I'm gonna poop myself. Call them. Hurry.
Come out.
Dah, aku dah buat. Kau jangan buat takut. Dah call.
Hey, what's the emergency?
Aku ingat kau wish I
We
knew,
are on our
bro.
way.
Ya, betul ya.
Dah sampai. I need help, guys. Baik, Isak. Buat kaget saja.
Weh, mesti lepas ni. Makin dekat dah ni. Your time has come.
Dia, aku takut.
Nah. Jangan awak pergi dia tu. Aku pun takut. Jangan jadi bocor.
Aku takut lah.
Yes, wait, nah. That's you outside.
Ya.
Aku tak takut. Tapi kau jalan-jalan. Hai.
Oh, it's here.
No, that's very something.
Ada tali. Kalau aku masuk je mana?
Try lah, Lofat.
Boleh ke?
Nah, there's a car. There's a car.
Tak boleh lah. Lol.
Nah, there's a car.
Ya, Sammy. Asal Sammy? Sammy baru masuk. Hai, Sammy. Wow, nice car you got.
It looks like Lego characters.
Yeah, man, I
Yeah.
just bought it.
Wow.
What?
Oh, ni owner.
Yeah, man, I have a lot of planning to move out of here. Yeah, I wish I knew Crisis has been making me feel weird and unsafe.
Yes.
I'm lucky I don't have to work like you guys.
Apa? Kau kena mati nanti baru tahu.
Give me a boba tea, please.
Kau buat boba tea.
How? Oh, dia gini.
Wow, boleh buat sikit making boba, baik.
Tapi bayar.
Oh ya
Kau
ke?
juga. Oh, bro.
Ada 15. Aku nak di jump scare kau tadi. 3 kali aku buka.
Tarik sangat. Eh.
3 kali weh aku cawe. Nak buat ke tak nak
Saya tak juga.
Aduh.
Apa lagi? Oh, dia.
Anyways, good luck with your work.
Tak juga.
Thanks bro.
Now, where you at?
Kalau.
Where you at? Macam aku nak customer ni. Bantu lah.
Sabarlah. Oh,
Nah.
dia teleport.
Bagus.
Okay. Apa tu?
Guys,
Apa dia?
I just drove past the shop and I saw something crawling out of that sewer lid.
Oh, hell, man.
It looked wrong. Lock the doors now.
Tak ada apa pun.
I don't know, man. It was on all fours, moving weird. Just lock the doors.
Kau bagi depan dia. Kau bagi depan.
Mana lah, Sigal?
Mana door apa Ancai? Oh dah. Dah. Lock sana belakang tu.
What? Eh, sorry, dulu.
Teleport. She probably call the police.
Tapi polis tu dia cakap kan.
Hello, this is the police. What is your emergency?
Help! Oh, Janice outside our store. He's trying to break in. Mana?
Okay, have you locked the doors and are you safe?
Yes.
They've done everything to keep the store safe.
Okay, make sure to keep the doors locked.
Okay.
We'll send someone your way to check out what's going on.
I don't trust them.
Yeah.
Nanti dia apa punya menyamar.
Ya. Dah ada. Boleh sudah sampai.
There doesn't seem to be anything outside your store.
Nanti dia
Are you
mati lah.
sure I wish I knew was here?
Ha?
Nanti dia mati sebab dia kat luar kan.
Okay, we'll be leaving the area as we're not finding anything.
Good luck bro.
Make sure to call us if anything happens again.
Eh,
Good luck.
apa boring gila game.
Hilang dah kereta dia.
Weh, gila lah kau ini.
Gila aku pula.
Apa semangat sangat kerja ni, sudahlah.
Oh, ada kereta. Macam kereta speed ni. King Von.
Bond.
This is a robbery. Hand me all the cash, or I'm
Alah,
shooting
you
ya.
have time for this lah.
6-7.
What?
Y'all better hurry up on Fanny and Grave.
Biar I wish I know tu makan dia boleh tak?
Maksudnya kita tak boleh skip tau buat bagi dia duit ni.
Oh.
I also want one of them overs that y'all be making. I heard they
Cicok bro. Dah lah nak bagi lambak.
Dia tak boleh ke I wish I know tu makan video ni?
Aku buat dia tu makan kau dulu lah.
Aku jump scare kau.
Lala weh.
Here's your boba, man. Is that everything? Kau layan dia baik
seems like
pula.
poop. I'm finna dip. Thanks for the money, Goofy.
Aku nak tengok dia kena jump scare. Hah? Apa?
Ini kena jump scare.
Taklah. Ni lah orang ni.
Nah, back off.
Apa?
I'm pretty sure the next one.
That was King Von, the rapper. Apa tu? Apa
What
itu?
the hell is that?
Aku tahu-tahu pula dengan suara dia. Weh, kau pergi lock depan. Woo. We're safe now.
Itu juga kena buat. Just lock the doors.
That was too close. Aku nampak dia pun tak.
Tak apa weh, game macam ni pun kita takut. Yang lain
Memang
kita pun
lah.
salah.
Pada kereta.
No.
Manager.
Oh,
What's going on?
Hey. What the?
Why are you guys not at work?
Kan kerja ni.
tapi kita orang ada.
I'm your manager,
You go.
and I heard there was a robbery.
Wait, I
Oh.
don't think so.
Open the door now and begin work.
So.
You guys are just lying.
Sebab tadi kan
How
kita
are
lock
we
the
gonna
door.
earn money like this?
Eh,
Unlock the door. Oregon,
Kau nak
You're fired.
buka ke tak?
I don't think so. Weh. Tak tahu lah kalau dia bagi pilihan boleh buka ke tak.
Tu lah.
Kalau
Weh.
keep lock tu.
Kilak. Okay. Kau kan tunggu dia punya masa.
Iya.
Okay, lepas ni kita open door ke?
Belum boleh je.
Nak cari.
Kita memang tak boleh cari terang.
Ha?
Tak ada apa-apa.
Kau aku jump scare kau sekejap lagi. Aku nak try juga.
Jangan lah. Kita lah.
Decision. Keep lock.
Jauh lah. Ui. Kalau manager dia mesti dia marah kan.
Ha-oh. How did he?
And now, all of you will die.
Oh my god. Kejap aku. Aku dah mati dia.
Lah. Hai, aku hidup je tadi.
Kalau kau nampak tu kan, kau kena elak dia. Tadi dia datang dekat aku. Lepas tu dia hilang. Dia tu pergi. Pergi kat pintu.
Kau dekat dalam sini. Kau dah tengok kita tak?
Aku masih tengok kau.
Tak payahlah.
Tak apa, aku tengok.
Tak nak.